Certain terms and conditions apply. As an act of full disclosure, please note this is an unboxing reenactment of this item and was originally bought. Okay guys, so here we go. Today I've got an unboxing for you. It's the 70-200 Canon lens 2.8 L USM. This is a standard version, the first version. I know now recently they've had a release of the second version. Well, not recently, second version, and there's another version come out now, the third version. So worth keeping an eye out. But because the new versions have come out now, the older ones are cheaper. I've had this for a fair while, but I'll do the unboxing now for you. So if I show you how it comes, so basically get a foam insert there, and we'll go straight to it. So that's the case. So it comes in a lens case, which is as LZ American Z model, LZ1324, and a lens hood ET86. So this pouch is quite sturdy. I don't see myself using it, but it's got a loop on there for the belt, so you can put your belt through it, and it's got leads there so you can put it on your shoulder. So if I show you the opening there, let's clear this up actually, just move that there, put that back in the box. Is there anything else in the box? Just a little pamphlet thing with details in, but nobody cares. Okay, there. So if I undo that Velcro and then zip that open there, go straight to the lens. So you will notice it's a big lens, and it comes with the hood, so that's all black padded inside. Nice sturdy case, leather bottom. So get that out of the way, and lens. So it comes with the collar. That's the hood. Again, it's got a silky inside. Canon ultrasonic cap. Lens, big, heavy, good weight to it, and the tripod mount, which is needed there. So that comes there. There's the end cap. You can see straight through the lens there. Maybe, yeah. Big eye, small eye. Yeah, so that image stabilized lens is a workhorse of a lens. Big. And the tripod mount is the official Canon one. So if you're here, you're probably asking yourself, is it worth getting it? And if you're doing any type of portrait work or fashion work, yes, you need to get it. But that's your unboxing.